Okay, everyone, welcome to Dr. Shaurav's classes. And before we dive into the world of the manual labor, let's talk about why we are even doing this. This question is a classic from the MCAT, that is the Aspiring Minds Computer Adaptive Test. Now, don't let the name scare you. It's basically a VIP pass for the job seekers. Top companies like the Cognizant, Accenture, and the Deloitte use it to see if your brain is finely tuned engine or just a dial-up modem. Okay, and they love this time and work problems because they want to know, if I hire a bunch of humans, how much work will they actually finish before they start scrolling on TikTok. So let's solve this. Okay, so come to the question first. Question says 5 men and 10 boys can complete a piece of work in 30 days. Okay, while 8 men and 12 boys can complete it in 20 days. Then what is the ratio of the daily work done by a man to that of a boy? Option number A says 5 is to 1. Option number B says 4 is to 5. Option number C says 6 is to 1. And option number D says 7 is to 3. Okay. So let's solve this together. Now, we have two squads competing here. Squad A, that is 5 men and 10 boys. They take 30 days. And Squad B, 8 men and 12 boys, and they take 20 days. Okay, and we need to find the daily work ratio of a man to a boy, who's actually doing the heavy lifting and who is just holding the ladder. Now, in the world of mathematics, total work is constant. Think of it like as a giant mountain of pizza. Whether 5 people ate it or 50, the amount of the pizza stays the same, right? So what is the formula of the work done? Work is number of people into time, right? Now let M be the work done by 1 man per day, and B be the work done by 1 boy per day. Okay, since the total work is the same for both the groups, we just set them equal to each other. So it's like a math marriage. So 5M plus 10B into 30, that is 8M plus 12B into 20, right? Now before you start multiplying 30 into 10 and getting the huge numbers, let's be lazy. Lazy is smart. Cancel the zeros from the 30 and 20. So 5M plus 10B into 3 is equal to 8M plus 12B into 2, right? Now expand. So 15M plus 30B is equal to 16M plus 24B, right? Now move the 15M over to the right and bring the 24B over to the left. So it's like rearranging. Okay, so we can say that 30B minus 24B, that is equal to 16M minus 15M, right? So this is equal to 6B equal to 1M, right? But wait, look at that. 1 man is equal to 6 boys. 1 guy is doing the work of 6 kids. So those boys are definitely just playing Minecraft on the job. So the question asks for the ratio of a man to a boy. A is to B, right? So from our equation 1m is 6b, so m by b will be what? 6 by 1, so m is to b is 6 is to 1. Okay, so the correct answer is our option number C. m is to b is 6 is to 1. Okay, so this is basically the efficiency concept. If m is to b is 6 is to 1, it means the efficiency of a man 6 times of that a boy. Now if the question asked for the ratio of time taken, it would be the inverse, that is 1 is to 6. Men are faster, so they take less time, and boys are slower, so they take more time to eat that pizza mountain, right? So in the time it took for you to decide what to order for lunch, we just conquered an AMCAT level problem. So equate the total work first, then simplify early, then isolate the variables. Okay, so we have just solved a very beautiful question from the AMCAT. Okay, so in the next session we will be doing some more questions for AMCAT. Okay, so bye bye, see you in the next session.